Hey there, Gel Press fans, and welcome back to the Gel Press YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be playing with a fun technique you can use using the Faith Impressions kit to decorate your planner. As you can see here, if you're familiar with planners, I am using the Happy Planner, and I have pulled this week's layout out of my planner just so I have a little bit more maneuverability and stuff. And I'm just gathering my supplies. I'm playing with some distress oxides, and I've got some archival ink in case I need that. And I'm just dabbing it onto my plate and then just using my Gel Press Economy brayer to blend it a little bit, and then just adding some cute little pink hearts. This is a super easy technique that you can use in your Bible journaling, in your art journaling, in your, look how cute that is, in your, if you decide you want to decorate your planner. So I've got a little bit of that ink left on there, and I'm just using it just to add a little bit of a ghost print to my project right there, just to add more color. And then I'm just going to kind of play with it and add a little bit more green, a little bit more yellow, some more of those cute little pink hearts, and just play with it and see what I like and where I want to add more color and add more texture. I thought I would get fancy with it, and I thought I could like stamp both little parts at the same time. I was so wrong. I don't know what I was thinking. I should have just masked it off with a piece of paper and just gone with it. Um, so yeah, you know, you live, you learn, you find stuff that works and stuff that does not. Like right here, I just decided to go ahead and just mask it off and get all that ink that was in the middle. And I'm just loving this because we've hit spring, well, spring-ish. We're in March. Spring starts in what, like 2 weeks or something like that, 3 weeks. And so I wanted to kind of reflect that idea of Easter coming and fun and bright colors. And so I'm just using a sponge to add this green. After I started it, I realized I should have just done the exact same technique with my green and just used my gel press plate to do that. What was I thinking? And so you can see, super cute, really fun way to just add a lot of color and a lot of texture. I'm going to go through the process of just adding some more fun colors and stickers and that kind of stuff, but let's be honest, that doesn't really require a voiceover. So I'm going to put on some fun music and let you guys watch the rest of this. Thank you guys so much always for stopping by, and make sure you hit the bell so you get notifications, and you hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on any gel press fun. You guys have an amazing day, and I will see you guys next time.